Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie Savage. I hope that you guys are safe and well. In today's video, we are going to talk about sleep hygiene. Good sleep habits or sleep hygiene refers to a series of healthy sleep habits that increase your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. A good night's sleep is incredibly important to your health. It is just as important as eating right and exercise. Many of us, getting a good night's sleep, a deep sleep, can feel like an impossible task. Maybe there are some of you that are starting a new job and are feeling the jitters. Maybe some of you are new parents and are juggling the new hectic schedule with your new bundle of joy. Maybe some of you are students and juggling the vigors of studying and homework. And maybe you are just like me and just staying up anxious, thinking about the current state of affairs that our world is in right now. Creating an optimal bedtime routine and sleeping environment is absolutely important to help you fall asleep and stay asleep. That's why sleep hygiene is so important. In this video, I will share with you 6 simple sleep hacks that really work. But before we get into that, I want to thank our sponsors, Hush and Hush. Hush and Hush offers clean nutraceutical and beauty supplements that boost energy, protect from the inside out, help grow hair, and reduce stress so that you can sleep better. In my recent video, I talked about their hair growth supplement, Deeply Rooted, and it has transformed the health of my hair. My hair is growing longer, and I invite you to check out that video. Now it's time. Let's get right into the video. I'm going to share with you 6 simple sleep hacks that will help you fall asleep and stay asleep. Sleep hygiene number 1. Be consistent. One of the best ways to train your body to fall asleep is to go to sleep and get up at the same time. And this includes weekends and day off. This regular rhythm will help you feel better and give your body something to work from. Pick a wake-up routine that you can maintain that's not too early or inconsistent with your typical natural routine that you've had in the past. Sleep hygiene number 2, lose the electronics. Some people may have a television in their bedroom, and that is a very bad idea. Looking at TV, looking at your computer screen, your tablet, or your cell phone can be very detrimental to your sleep hygiene. These electronic devices emit a blue light that is disruptive to our natural ability to produce melatonin, which does not set you up for a good sleeping environment. This includes your alarm clock. Consider placing it on the floor and try to limit all electronic devices 1 hour before heading into bed. And for those of you who must work late, and I understand because I do that quite often, but what you can do is dim your lights on your computer screen, on your phone screen. You're about to lose me. Hygiene number 3, lose the nap. Are you a napper? Sometimes naps can really help. There are some people who have a nap every day, and they find that this boosts their productivity for especially long days. So you want to limit those siestas you have during the day, and if you must have a nap, consider taking that nap between 11 to 3 p.m. The goal here is to get yourself tired enough that you want to go to bed. So if you can, avoid that nap, but if you must, make it short and sweet. No more than an hour, and some experts have said 20 minutes. Sleep hygiene tip number 4, use neutral sounds to neutralize noise pollution. Keep your bedroom quiet to create that perfect cocoon for your body to relax and fall asleep. Use earplugs to mask noise outside of your room and for a snoring partner. White noise also works wonders. Nature sounds like raining or waves crashing really help you fall asleep. And it can also drown out any annoying noises. You see, when you fall asleep, your brain is still listening for sounds that could mean danger. You can also buy a white noise machine, use an air purifier, or turn on a fan. This will create consistent white noise to help lull you to sleep. It will also purify the air that you're breathing and create a room temperature that your body can comfortably sleep in. Sleep hygiene number 5. Have a dedicated space for sleep. Your bedroom should serve two purposes. What do you think those two purposes are? Your bedroom should be used for sleeping and sex only. It is important to make your bedroom a sacred place. Only have pieces of furniture that help maximize your sleep. So, as a reminder, no television, no exercise equipment, no computer monitor. The point is your bedroom is meant for sleeping, so keep it that way. Sleep hygiene number 6. Consider natural sleep aids that are backed by science. While improving your sleep hygiene with the helpful tips discussed earlier, along with implementing healthy lifestyle practices such as eating right and exercising, there are some times where your body just needs that extra boost. And considering natural sleep aids is a really good idea. But the important thing is to consider the ingredients. Natural sleep supplements can give your body the boost it needs to power down and recharge. Please remember to always consult your doctor before making any changes to your existing medication routine and supplement routine. This is not medical advice, but it is information that you can use as a conversation starter with your physician at your next appointment. I have tried many sleep supplements in my lifetime, and for those that worked, there was an undesirable side effect that I felt in the morning. My head felt groggy, I had a headache, sometimes I felt nauseous, and this meant that I have a sensitivity to melatonin. I do not like that feeling. And has this happened to you? What is different about Hush and Hush Mind Your Mind sleep supplement is that it is a melatonin-free sleeping aid. Melatonin has been known for its sleep-inducing abilities. It's a natural occurring hormone and your body produces it naturally. There are some people that are quite sensitive to melatonin when it is in a supplement, and I am one of them. And as mentioned earlier, if you have a melatonin sensitivity, it can cause dizziness, grogginess in the morning, and a feeling of nauseousness. Mind Your Mind from Hush and Hush is free from melatonin, so you don't have to worry about that. It uses a harmonious blend of relaxing herbs to help you get an easy, restful sleep without any grogginess, bizarre dreams, and restlessness due to melatonin sensitivity. Clinically proven ingredients such as L-theanine and chamomile flower help to relax the mind and body, and magnesium is used to help relax the muscles. To reduce stress, rhodiola rosea root and holy basil leaf are used to reduce stress and anxiety. With L-tryptophan, GABA, valerian root, inositol, calcium, and vitamin E and C to help you fall asleep and stay asleep. Mind Your Mind are clean clinical vitamins, the purest vitamins you will get. There are no fillers, synthetics, additives, artificial flavorings, or coloring. With daily distractions and technological overstimulation, getting sound sleep is more important than ever. Adequate sleep is essential for youthfulness, your mental focus, your nervous system, your skin, your whole body. There's nothing more critical to your mental well-being and good physical health than sound, deep sleep. And do check out Mind Your Mind, a natural sleep supplement that is melatonin-free that will help you get to sleep faster and stay asleep. Please stay safe and well, my friends, and with the 6 simple sleep hacks I just shared, go and create that sleeping sanctuary. Comment below if you have any sleep hacks that work. I would love to hear about your sleep hygiene practices. Which of the 6 sleep hygiene tips really hit home for you? Please leave a comment below, and I'm really excited to read what you have to say. As always, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you will be alerted to when I upload new videos. Make sure to give this a like. This helps the channel so much. Thank you.